Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily reverse a video using Shotcut video editor. First of all, I'm going to add the video to Shotcut. I'm just going to drag and drop the video to the timeline like this. Okay, and so let's take a look at this original video with no effects. Alright, now if we want to reverse this video, what we have to do is navigate here over the video, right click, go to properties, and here on the left hand side now in properties, here below you should see a button reverse. Now if you click reverse, here you can choose an option for the reverse video quality. So let's say I'm gonna go for the best or biggest, click OK, and then select the destination where your clip is going to be saved. So let's say I'm going to save the clip here in downloads again. As you can see, it's adding dash reversed automatically, so you can distinguish easily. Click save. And now here on the right hand side, you can see that the video is being converted and the reverse video _1 is also being processed. So what happened here is basically Shotcut is saving that same video in reverse to downloads, but it's also going to reverse the video here in the timeline. So once this is done and we play the video, it's going to go in reverse. Okay, now it's finished. Let's play the video. And as you can see now, the video is in reverse. And that's it, guys. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.